If you're looking to cancel your Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan, also known as Assurant device coverage, the process is straightforward and can be completed with a simple phone call. Step 1. Contact Spectrum Mobile customer service directly. You can cancel your coverage at any time by calling their dedicated customer service line. Step 2. Inform the representative of your intent. When you speak with the customer service representative, clearly state that you wish to cancel your Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan. Step 3. Provide account verification. Be prepared to provide your account information for verification purposes. This typically includes your account number, phone number, and personal identification details. Step 4. Ask about refunds and credits. After cancellation, you may be eligible for a refund or credit for any unearned portion of the price you've already paid. Make sure to ask the customer service representative about the specifics of your refund during the call. Important notice: the Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan is no longer available for new enrollment as of September 2025. However, if you are already enrolled, your coverage will not be interrupted, and you can transfer coverage if you buy a new device. That's the complete process for canceling your Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan. Remember, you can cancel at any time by calling customer service, and you may be eligible for refunds on unused coverage. Before canceling your Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan, it's crucial to understand exactly what coverage you have and what refunds you may be entitled to receive. Your Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan is administered by Assurant, a trusted insurance provider. This partnership ensures comprehensive device protection through a reputable company. Your protection plan covers 3 main types of incidents. First, accidental damage, such as cracked screens, water damage, and other physical harm to your device. Second, mechanical or electrical failures that occur after your manufacturer's warranty expires. This ensures your device stays protected even after the initial warranty period ends. Third, loss or theft protection. If your device is lost or stolen, your plan provides coverage to help replace your device, subject to deductibles and claim limits. Important update: as of July 31st, 2024, the Pocket Geek privacy feature has been discontinued and is no longer part of the Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan. However, other Pocket Geek features like Pocket Geek Mobile and Pocket Geek Cloud remain available. When you cancel your protection plan, you are entitled to receive a refund or credit for any unearned portion of the price you paid. The exact refund amount depends on how much time remains in your current coverage period. For complete details about your specific plan coverage and refund calculations, always refer to your terms and conditions document. This contains the exact terms that apply to your individual protection plan. Finally, if you have any pending claims or recently filed a claim, make sure to discuss this with the Spectrum Mobile representative when you call to cancel. This could affect your cancellation timing and any potential refunds you may receive. Understanding your coverage and refund entitlements helps you make an informed decision about canceling your Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan. Take time to review your specific plan details before making the call.